Can you sue for police brutality under Section 1983? Imagine being harmed during an encounter with law enforcement and wondering if you have any way to hold them accountable. Well, there is a legal option called a Section 1983 lawsuit. This law is part of the United States Code that allows people to sue government officials, including police officers, if their constitutional rights are violated while they are acting in their official role. To win a case under this law, you need to prove three main things. First, the officer was acting under what is called color of law, meaning they were performing their official duties when the incident happened. Second, the officer's actions violated your constitutional rights, like using excessive force that breaches your Fourth Amendment rights against unreasonable searches and seizures, or your rights under the 14th Amendment for due process. Third, you suffered harm because of what happened, such as injuries, emotional distress, or financial losses. If you can show these 3 points, the court might award you damages. These damages could cover medical bills, lost wages, or other costs caused by the incident. Sometimes, if the officer's conduct was especially malicious or reckless, the court might also give punitive damages to punish that behavior. You might even recover attorney fees and court costs, making it easier to get legal help. But there are hurdles to overcome. Police officers often have something called qualified immunity, which protects them from liability unless they clearly violated a constitutional right that any reasonable officer would have known about. Also, if you are suing a police department or city, you need to prove that the misconduct was part of an official policy, custom, or failure to train officers properly. Isolated acts by individual officers usually aren't enough. Because of these challenges, filing a Section 1983 lawsuit often requires help from experienced lawyers who know how to gather evidence and argue your case effectively. Remember, if you experience police brutality, you have a legal route to seek justice. It is important to document everything carefully, seek medical attention right away, and contact a civil rights attorney as soon as possible to protect your rights and explore your options.